Welcome to Types of Languages and History of Java. We'll be looking at the different types of computer languages and just a little bit of the history and the creation of Java. Let's start off by going over the three different types of languages there are in computer science. There are machine, assembly, and high-level languages. We're going to compare each of these languages one by one to see their unique advantages and disadvantages. Machine language is only understood by computers and is very complicated for humans to use. An example of machine language is +230-492-4392. As you can see, that's practically not understandable and very difficult for a human to program in. The machine language is then converted into zeros and ones for the computer to understand. Besides being practically unreadable for humans, machine language is also machine dependent, meaning that machine language is different for every computer, so it's hard for programmers to create programs that can be used for a variety of computers. Now, let's take a look at assembly language. Most importantly, assembly language is much easier than machine language because it has English keywords added into it, which makes it a lot more readable. Assembly language must be converted to machine language for the computer to interpret. Assemblers are programs that complete these conversions. Add price and store supply. These are just some examples of assembly language, and as you can see, they're a lot more understandable and usable for programmers. Next up is high-level language. High-level language is one step ahead of machine and assembly language because you can accomplish a lot more in one line. High-level language has English keywords just like assembly language, but it also increases a programmer's efficiency. One drawback of assembly language is that it requires a lot of statements for simple operations, but high-level language takes care of that. For example, total equals price times supply. That's so simple high-level language, but it would take multiple lines in assembly. Java is the most widely used high-level language, and most programming languages these days are high-level languages. Interpreters are programs that convert high-level languages to machine language for the computer to interpret. Here's a bit of history of Java. Java was created by James Gosling of Sun Microsystems. The name Java originated in a coffee shop when the founders were thinking of a name and suddenly saw a sign advertising Java chip coffee. It was launched in May of 1995 and since has been used practically everywhere from servers to phones. In the next lecture, we will be looking at what the core parts of Java are that make it so appealing to programmers and why it has such a broad appeal. Overall, Java is a high-level language that has transformed the world and continues to do so today.